Hello friends! I bought another box of old PC cards that was offered on a marketplace for just 30 euros, so I couldn't resist buying it, and I take you on the tour of unboxing it. In this green bag we have several different RAM modules. These are 72-pin PS2 or EDO modules. Let's see if they fit together. Here's another pair. No idea what the capacity is, as they don't print it on them back in the days, but most likely these are 4 MB, 8 MB or 16 MB modules. These longer modules with 2 notches are EDO-RAM. This is a nice one with just 32 MB, so it's one of the earlier modules. And here's another one. I have plenty of them already, but better to have them than to need them. A generic Realtek Ethernet adapter. Another no-name Ethernet card. And another one here, Realtek. This one is beautiful, a 3-COM Ethernet, Etherlink 3. Nice. And a more modern one, a PCI Etherlink 3. Wow, this is why this offer got my attention. An ISA sound card with a wavetable. And it's an Adlib branded QDSP. So it's an Atmos wavetable QS1000. I guess it has 212 kilobytes of waveform. Another sound card, a pretty basic Opti card, Opti 931. And here we have a highly integrated and cost-optimized PCI sound card. Advanced Logic ALS 4K. So next one seems to be VGA cards. We start with the Diamond Stealth 64 DRAM with an S330 64 chip. Next one is the basic Cirrus Logic 5430. Another diamond from 1997, Moses SG-RAM, and it says Fire 1K Pro 8GB 8 MB. CT6610, so this must be a card from Creative Labs. Same Moses RAM, and here it says Graphics Blaster Extreme. I don't know this card so far, but I guess I've seen it on another review. When I find it, I will give you a link in the description. And last but not least, an ATI card, Rage 2C. So that's it. Now I invite you to share your thoughts about this hardware in the comment section down below. And the next video will be about the wavetable sound card, of course. I'm Ernie, PC Sound Legacy.